Kia ora everyone, I'm Alana. I'm the student health nurse for the Tauranga campus. Welcome to our online orientation. I'm just new obviously, so if you go to the Tauranga campus, if you wanted to see me, my room is in 1.28, which is just around the corner from the hub. The hours that I work are Monday to Thursday, 8:30 to 4:30 p.m, and it's free to come see me. Which is the most important thing. Yeah, I've just got a map here. It is kind of a little bit confusing, but it's on level 1, and so all you need to do is you can always ask somebody at reception and they can direct you around to the to where I am, and yeah, it's 1.28. Yeah, so people come see me for anything, any kind of health advice. A lot of students come and they need to have an STI check or a smear or pregnancy test or emergency contraception, so anything to do with sexual health. Also, I'm the person that you come and see if you need any mental health support. Yeah, lots of students come and talk about anything that they're going through, like stress or any ways that I can help them. So yeah, that's definitely one of the major things that I see when people come see me. Also, some people just come, they've fallen over or they have a wound or something like that, and so they can come see me for that too. I like to follow the Te Whare Tapa Whā model from Mason Jury, so it's like a holistic way of working. So also if you wanted to, the way to come see me is you can either just drop in, you can text that number that's on the screen, 022-013-9003, and that's my work phone, so you can text that and make an appointment, or even just email me on alana.johnson@waikato.ac.nz. All this information is on the student health website, so you can just go into the Waikato page and type in student health and go under Tauranga, and then you can find it. So it's pretty easy to find. One major thing that I can help you with is if you need to see a doctor. So we have a bit of a different system from the Hamilton system, where what you can do, that we don't have a doctor on campus, but we have the closest one is about 10 minutes walk away, called South City. So if you wanted to enroll in a doctor's, which I think is really important, because you really need to have your own doctor that you can go to at any time, you can go to Chadwick Medical Centre, which actually has like 4 different medical centres around the Tauranga area, but the closest one is South City, so it's really close to the Tauranga campus in town. So it only costs $10, and so if you need a voucher, you just come and see me, and I can give you a voucher to take to the medical centre, and then it only costs you $10. So it's really worthwhile doing, and I encourage all the students when they come just to enrol there. And the really important thing too is to get a community services card, which I think is just on the next screen. And this just means that instead of having to pay $40, well, at any other medical centre, it goes down to $19. And yeah, so that's really important that you can take if you don't want to go to the Chadwick Medical Centre, you want your own doctor, but that community services card can reduce your doctor's visit. It also does other things as well, any kind of prescriptions or emergency dental care. And so every student should have a community services card, and if you don't have one, all you need to do is ring up WINS and they will just post one out to you. So if you have student allowance or student loan, then you can get a community services card. Yeah, so that's something really important to know. Now, we also don't have any counsellors on site in the campus, but we have them we use Bay Counselling, which is on 10th Avenue, just beside the warehouse. So a lot of students use Bay Counselling that get stressed, got stuff going on at home, or you just really want somebody to talk to and you just want it to be confidential. It's a really good place to go. A lot of students have used that and found it really helpful. So every student is entitled to 5 free sessions, and all you have to do is call 578-0959 and make an appointment with a receptionist at any time that suits you, and just quote your student ID card. So it's a really, really good way of getting that support that you need, and it's all confidential, no tutors or anybody can know about it, and just you can go when it's convenient for you. Yeah, if you need help with trying to find a counsellor that's really appropriate for you, or you just want, you're not sure which one that you think would be, you might gel with, you can just come and chat to me and I can help you with that as well. And like, again, it's all confidential. One really cool thing that we have that the Hamilton campus doesn't have is we have a physio on campus, and they are in the same room that I work out of, which is room 1.28, but they come on a Friday. So this is a free service too. If your accident or whatever's going on for you is covered by ACC. So that's a really good service to have, and it's really easy to book too. You just call 07 927 3330. Yeah, so I think that's the last one that I'm going to, oh no, there's a few other ones. We have people visiting from the Hamilton campus. One that I really like to mention is a chaplain, and he comes every 2 weeks, and he usually just hangs out in the hub, and if you wanted to talk to him about any type of faith or belief that you have, he's really approachable and willing to talk to you about anything, and he has his contact details on the student health website as well. We also have a violence prevention coordinator who sometimes visits our campus, and she does consent modules, likes to talk about anything to do with harassment or abuse or violence or any concerns that you might have around that. And that's a really important service that we have access to. We also have our health promotion coordinator, Dr. Tauranga, and he comes every Tuesday. And yeah, the last thing that I'll talk about is our wellness room. So we have this open every Wednesday from 1 till 2, which is cultural hour, and it's located in the bottom floor, G03. And this is a space that we just want people to be able to chill, play board games, relax, get to know other people. There'll be food there, and somewhere where you can just feel like you can have a little break or a quiet area just to relax or have some chill time away from your studies, which is really important. And usually we do have like other workshops or things planned during the year as well. So it's just somewhere to look out for and see what's happening there. One thing that I'm promoting at the moment is if you wanted to get your flu vax. So if you wanted to get that, we're doing everybody on the same day, so July 29th. It's really important to pay before a week beforehand, which is the 22nd, and it's really cheap, so it's only $15 and everybody can access that. And all you need is a voucher and a time from me, so you just come and see me. You can either come to my office or just email me or whatever's easiest for you guys. So the most important thing I feel is I want everyone to know that I'm really approachable and that you can come chat to me about anything. And all this information is on the website, and I'm very happy to talk to you about any worries or anything that you have. So yeah, that's me, and I'll hand it over to Kat.
Thanks, Alana. Hey everyone, I'm Kat, and I work for the Waikato Students Union in Tauranga. A little bit about myself. I am a qualified social worker working towards my registration. I got this job started last year. The Waikato Students Union is based in Hamilton, and they have about 20 staff over there, and they didn't have anyone here. So they employed me last year to be the representative. I'm originally from Russia. I was adopted, and I've grown up in the Bay of Plenty majority of my life. So the Waikato Students Union is basically your guys' voice on campus, your go-to place for any support, hardship issues, academic related issues, anything really. And we're also here to have a good time and help you guys have a good time. Yeah, we do lots of barbecue, food giveaways. We know that students are always hungry. So I've got a cupboard full of food all the time. So if you just need a feed, come and see me. I'll give you a can of V or something like that to wake you up if you're studying and stressing out. Yeah, so we're always doing barbecues on level 1. If you've got an idea of what food we should be doing, come and see me as well. You can even help out and volunteer. You can become one of our yellow shirt volunteer people, and this can go towards your EPP, which is your Employment Plus program. This is a piece of paper you get at the end of your degree, which helps your future employer see how much work you've done while studying. It just makes you look better than everyone else when you go for the job, really. And also you get to work with me, which is always fun. Every Thursday, I pick up Good Neighbour Food, which is an organisation here in Tauranga, Hamilton, are working towards getting something similar. This is something that the university started up a little while ago. Every Thursday from 1 p.m. on the ground level, the whole table will be covered in food, and you guys can bring your bags and come and get as much food as you need for your whānau and for yourself. So don't be shy, meet me at 1 p.m. on Thursday for that. I'm always looking for volunteers to come and help me bring it in because there's a ton of food, always. I'm also in charge of clubs on campus, so if you've got a club idea, over in Hamilton they have a club called Llama Appreciation Club. I don't know what they do with llamas, but I'm sure that they hang out with them or something. And we give you guys a little bit of a grant when you start up the club to help you get going, so that can go towards food or, I don't know, pub crawls, whatever you want to do. So yeah, have a think about what club you might want to start up on campus. I think at the moment we've got about maybe 5 active clubs, maybe a few more. So yeah, always keen for some more clubs. And you guys will have access to the fleet vehicles, room bookings, the barbecue as well. So yeah. So your WSU is basically it's a board of students who are your voice on campus. So over here we have Jake for the Tauranga campus. This is this year is the first time we've had a Tauranga representative on the board, which is really, really cool. So Jake goes over to Hamilton quite a bit, sits with the board, talks about issues on campus, anything really student related, and feeds it back to the campus and myself, and we make stuff happen. So yeah, go see Jake. I'm also in charge of class reps, so I'm looking at doing some class rep training in the next coming weeks. You can become a class rep. Again, this makes you look good. Put it on your CV, it'll go towards your EPP hours. I was a class rep every year when I was studying. And yeah, we have pizza, so come and be a class rep. Put your hand up when they ask you. And my main role on campus is advocacy, and that's my big one. So that is helping students with hardship issues. It could be financial, it could be emotional, could be anything related. If you're struggling to get to campus, maybe don't have enough petrol or something, come and have a chat with me, see if I can help you. Maybe you just need some kai, just save you a box of kai every now and then. So yeah, you guys are really fortunate to have, not saying me, but this position on campus that you can go to someone for stuff like this. So instead of going to work and income all the time or something like that, we're also here as well. So yeah, use me. Like us on Facebook, and we're always doing giveaways and comps on there, so you guys can always win really cool stuff. So head over to the Facebook page, especially during O Week. I post a lot in there. We've got lots of events coming up next week. We've got kai happening every single day at lunchtime, and also in the evenings we have some events as well, so just keep an eye on the Facebook page for that. Quiz night is going to be happening on next Wednesday night at CVK, so you can email me your team name, team of 5 people. Yeah, should be a good night. Any questions? Thanks for listening.